What's up, JB gang? It's your girl, Tinky.
And I'm Cook.
And we are back with another video. And today's my birthday.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you. We are going shopping. We want to take you
till you drop.
It's my birthday, so I know y'all want to celebrate my birthday with me. And I got off work early today. I was not getting off at 4:30. Like,
You weren't supposed to work in the first place. I'm stuck behind the bus. What?
Oh, you saying I wasn't supposed to work today?
Yeah, why are you looking at me?
I thought you meant like I wasn't supposed to work at all.
No, I'm saying like you were misled and ended up working, but you weren't supposed to work.
Yeah, I thought I was supposed to be off today, y'all. But we gonna catch y'all when we get them off.
Oh, Neiman Marcus. Looks like we're at the right place. You hear me? Oh my God, can we go inside the container?
The lights. Turn right into the car park. Then the destination is on your right.
That's not fucking smart, you idiot.
Not nice.
Like what? What are you thinking of, bruv? Oh, that's what you assumed, eh? Chop house.
Turn
What's
right.
up, JP gang? I know you tired of hearing that because you already did already, so I'm not gonna even finish. You already know what to do. Hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bells on because I'm coming with nothing but heat for the rest of the year and the year after, period. So, you know, today I am at work. Yesterday, I didn't vlog anything because, first of all, I realized that I was trying to vlog and the camera was literally dead. So when it was on the charger, I guess it wasn't charging. Cookie's out right now getting us coffee. I am waiting for calls to come in. Man, this over here is Mood Changer. Trying to get the website up and together, get all the new sales because I got some hot sales coming. I'm also adding the top shelf and mid shelf back. What's up, JP gang? I know you tired of hearing that because you already did already, so I'm not gonna even finish. You already know what to do. Hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bells on because I'm coming with nothing but heat for the rest of the year and the year after, period. So, you know, today I am at work. Yesterday, I didn't vlog anything because, first of all, I realized that I was trying to vlog and the camera was literally dead. So when it was on the charger, I guess it wasn't charging. Cookie's out right now getting us coffee. I am waiting for calls to come in. Man, this over here is Mood Changer. Trying to get the website up and together, get all the new sales because I got some hot sales coming. I'm also adding the top shelf and mid shelf back to back. We got some stuff over here that I am going to send out. We need to get that packaged up. I got some robes and stuff I need to stamp. But I gotta get this website up and running. Right now, from 8 till 4:30 is all computer work because I, of course, need to focus on my customers, making sure that their internet is working, and I need to make sure that my customers are able to buy some Mood Changer, okay? So, with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope today is very blessed and successful for you guys. Quote of the day: don't waste the time that you don't have. Okay? The reason why I say that is because you may feel like you have a lot of time in the day, and now it's time for you to actually complete something. But that something may not be the something you need to be working on. So you need to go with your first instinct and stop doubting yourself, sis. And bro, quit doing it. Stop. Do what you feel like you need to be doing. Don't waste your time on nothing. period. I knew what it was time for me to do. It was time for me to go find another $1,000 every 2 weeks. It was enough money for me to make. I mean, it was time for me to go find $1,500 every 2 weeks. It was a time that I needed that extra $1,500 to be able to make the money that I'm wanting to make in the future 6 months from now. Okay? So, say good morning, honey. Hi, honey, sugar, honey. Close your legs. Jeez. Wakes up crazy. Hi, honey. You wake up? I'm supposed to be on the clock. We have to go upstairs. Mommy got to go to work. Come on. Come here, honey, honey. Get me that. Get me that. Come on, we got to make the bed. So, of course, Nani's always the last one out of the bed. And she tends to sleep in her bed still. So, she thinks Elise is upstairs, and she's not. Mappa went to go get food, yes? It's okay. I got some laundry right here, y'all. When I tell y'all, I had over 20-something loads of clothes that I wanted to wash. And the only reason why it was so many, y'all, because Nani's whining in the background. Cry, baby, suck the mama titty. Here, you got. I need to go buy me some more sweatsuits like these. I literally wore the other one too, and I got this one on. I'm tired. I'm really tired. I still gotta clean up my house because Nani. You thirsty? Say, mommy, please. Come on. Nani wakes up being poop up for the past 3 days, and it's kind of annoying because it's honestly like, why is she waking up like this every single morning? Interesting. I thought you said you was thirsty. Jesus. She's a poo butt, okay? And we gotta go grocery shopping today because we is running low on food. Milk, of course. This is Nani's section up here with her little stuff. And then we got the orange juice. I made some Tinky soup. We went to Red Robin last night. I did not finish that. We got some spinach, butter back there. We have some lunch meats, which is basically like turkey and salami. We got some Kobe Jack cheese, tuna, turkey bacon, cheese. We also got spinach, lettuce, tomatoes, and that's pretty much it. The bottom one's empty. That's where our fruit and stuff go. Oh, yeah. So, I got my NutriBurst. Of course, I took my NutriBurst shot this morning. If you guys have not already, go in the description down below, guys, and you need to get you some of this NutriBurst. When I tell you this stuff give me life in the morning, just be just nice. Hi, honey. Hi. Hi. Yum, 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 yum. Guys, my best friend brung her this binky from California. Literally was Nani's all-time favorite binky. Now that she has it, she can't let it go. Anyway, we got ranch. We got strawberry jelly. We have mayo. We have mustard. We have more ranch. This ranch, I make a special ranch with this. I'll do a video on it. We got some olive oil, and this is basically for my salads. And some ketchup. We have some seasoned chicken that I'm cooking tonight. We have some plain shrimp that I'm cooking tonight. And we have some Italian, which is supposed to be down here. We have some lemon pepper sauce, which is supposed to be down here. And we have sweet relish. And we also have some traditional basil pesto. I like to put that with my shrimp. Mind your business. Cream cheese. These right here is just like some little Chick-fil-A sauces. because, you know, everybody remember no Chick-fil-A. We have some mood changer product that basically waiting to be sold and all that good stuff. So if you guys are looking for some good shampoo and some good conditioner, you guys need to go shop on moodchanger.org. It is the best shampoo ever. Okay? Like, no bull crap. It's literally the best shampoo ever. All right, to the freezer. We have popsicles. We have pizza rolls. They're just cheese. We have some green beans that need to go in the trash because Cookie did not close that all the way, or I didn't. We have some pancakes that's been in here already for too long. Let's throw that away. And of course, we have a lot of fruit, frozen bananas, Texas toast, because you know we like it. We like to keep it toasty up in here. You feel me? I don't know why Texas and New York is on the same but whatever. We got some French fries, some more green beans, and some more frozen bananas. More green beans because my baby like green beans. My baby like green beans. She loves corn, so we'll have some corn as well. Oof, I think I'm going to actually throw that corn away because I think we've actually been having that corn for a long time. Now, this is a salad I made yesterday. Still look good, but it's set out overnight. So that needs to go in the trash. All this needs to be sprayed down. All this needs to be cleaned up. Y'all, we got some cleaning to do today. So, what? What? Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Cookie's back. So,
I didn't know what was happening. I thought he was introing.
And she's like, what's up, Jerry Gang? No. I already opened the video, unfortunately. Getting nice some orange juice. Now I'm going back to work because what is this?
Come on, what's?
All right, y'all. So back in the office I go. Cookie is back. And yeah. So Tracy sent $500. So Tracy's trying to change her mood. So yeah.
Okay, mood change. She's gonna look fresh.
I hope she come out here so I can do it, but she's not. So
You see what I'm saying?
them two plaid. Now I need to clean up my living room. So I know some of y'all's probably like, girl, we want to see you take some of them calls. So I'm going to see if a call come in while y'all on here so y'all can see. But anyway, while we wait for a call to come in, let's go ahead and put this order in for this wig that Matrice just bought. And yeah, if you have not already, please shop moodchanger.org. Go get your bundles, period. If you have not already, in the description box below, I will have a link to all these essential oils. Guys, when I say my office smells so good, I can breathe like crazy. The one that I'm using right now is the blood orange. Love this stuff, okay? If I can eat it, I would just chew it down. But I can't. It's essential. This one is orange, like I said before. And it comes in this box right here. It's pretty cute. It's a nice little box. But I do have the description down below, okay? Period. And if y'all on the weight loss journey too, I know I told y'all need to go buy these super colon cleanse pills, okay? If y'all have not bought these pills and you sleep and you still probably gaining weight, you need to flush your system, boo. So, you know. Period. Let's get back to this. Ain't no calls coming in. It's in the morning. Usually in the morning the calls are pretty slow, so I try to get other things done. Especially like now that I kind of got the hang of it. I've only been here during training. Now that we, you know, we gotta get some stuff over here together. This has been freezing like crazy, so go ahead and exit that out and refresh that. If y'all don't know, I just put the straight and the body wave 30-inch closure wig on the website literally for I think it was like only $3.75. You guys should definitely tap in with that. It's a really good movement. Why does it look like my coffee fell or something? Like I'm missing some coffee in here. Interesting. Maybe Cookie was drinking it. I don't know. But yes, the straight and the body wave 30-inch closure wig. Okay. Y'all, if somebody want to be a good citizen, somebody buy me another mouse. Because I need this computer to work. And it's only because I didn't got a mouse. But honestly, y'all, I just really, when I get to the store, I don't remember to get one. I'll remember the day because we're going to be snowed in for the next couple of days. And I can't afford to not have no mouse, okay? Especially over the weekend because I'm off this weekend. But I'm not off this weekend. You know what I mean? Ain't it sad? Cheers. And I know y'all asking. No, I don't get my coffee any kind of slim way. I get it regular. And this is how I like my coffee. I just watch what I eat. Let me go ahead and pull this up. Oh, you've already asked them. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. I'm gonna check right now. Yeah, let me see if I can tell y'all this story in 1 minute. So a customer called in and he literally said, I have no internet connection. Okay, let me see if I can do that for you. Well, I have a meeting in 3 minutes. But I can't connect to the internet. My TV's not working. Nothing's working. Okay, sir, how would you be attending the meeting in 3 minutes? From your cell phone? No, from my computer. Okay, are you using hotspot? No. I thought you said you can connect to the internet. What? How you using the computer and you got the internet? We can't watch TVs or anything as I'm hearing the TV in the background. I don't know. I think somebody in trouble. Because randomly our supervisor wrote us and was like, good morning all, please switch the training code and let me know when y'all have. Randomly, like, why would we even get a message like that? Somebody had to do something. Or they see our own chat because my training class, we all have our own chat, so it's really like no filter in there. Of course we don't cuss and stuff like that and be disrespectful, but we do speak how we feel about, people who are supposed to be helping us and they're not. So it's gonna be some shenanigans. I'm gonna let y'all know if it cracks off. Everybody writing in chat talking about, oh shit. Y'all, have y'all ever heard of a company called Verve Feetwear? I think they want to sponsor me and Cookie. This is their stuff. They have like sportswear. And they sent me an email and they want us to become brand ambassadors. Yep. So they look like they got a little similar stuff that Mixed Label has, honestly. So weird. Like this, we have that. And we have it in this color too. I wonder if that's why they reached out. Ooh, we ain't got this though. This is cute. They look like they're upcoming. They got about, let me see how many followers they got. 52,000. They got 52,000 followers or whatever, but I'll let y'all know. Let me go tell Cookie the news because they literally just wrote me this morning and I'm barely seeing it. If y'all have not seen the Mood Changer robes, y'all slay. They fire. Period. I'm thinking about making the logo bigger, but then again I'm not because I want it to be like small and nice. Yeah. Somebody wants to sponsor us. Yeah. Okay. She's on the phone. Let me back off here, y'all. Somebody finna get in trouble. So nobody got in trouble. But look what the fuck Princess just brought in my house. A freaking piece of a rabbit. Princess, stop bringing stuff in here. So I'm like really digging the whole white movement. I think I'm actually like digging it. More time. Nani feeds her dogs. Good job, Puddin'. Then she heads to get water. Mommy! Then we're to the cage. Look at Nani's little play area, y'all. And then there's them. Little rascals, little rascals, little rascals. Good job, Puddin'. Good job, Puddin'. Don't ask why they don't have beds in there anymore. Rocky messed up their beds. All right, leave me hanging. Good job. Good job, Puddin'. Good job, Puddin'. Yeah. Start off young. Start them young. Now getting the dogs food together. These little hungry little munchkins. I'm so hungry, mommy. I'm so hungry, mommy. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Hey, you don't got clothes on. Hey, every day. This is ground turkey and carrot. I'm gonna let it cool down and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator so the dogs can just get a cup every day. I was thinking about blending that little nasty ass dog food up and mixing it in there for the flavor. I'm sure they'll like this better. I'm gonna make some rice and put it with some rice and it's gonna be yummy for their tummies. Ain't that right, Princess? Ain't that right, Rocky? Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, I'm so hungry. Ooh, ooh. Come, babe. I was blowing that. Not that time, baby. Sorry. Cookie likes to lie to me sometimes. My hair black.
All the lilac is in there.
If y'all didn't notice, my baby got black hair. Well, y'all noticed Cookies were off the back. What? Lilac? You dumped that out?
All three of them right now. There's too many things to try to keep track of.
And you go hide. We're cleaning up, clearly. All these is clean. Need to get that cleared off. Now that we done got all this stuff cleared, we're trying to put the groceries together. We still got a little bit left. Also, we air fried some chicken, y'all. Look kind of good. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. Air fried chicken. It's just a couple pieces. It's gonna be a little snack until I make dinner. But we got some lamb. My babe love lamb, so we got some lamb. We got asparagus, carrot for the dog's food, and then for salad. We got some chicken. We're gonna be snowed in, of course, because it's snowing. Let me go show y'all. Baby got a new toy. Babe turned the light off, so y'all can't even see. So y'all see how wet it is? It was some fat snowdrops out here, but it stopped, babe. It stopped. So we good.
Simulator trying to test the
Right. Ooh, can we make it this thick? Can we make it this thick? Babe, what is this in your hair? Alright.
Goddamn rabbit fur.
So we got some asparagus. I already told y'all that. Boom, boom. Oh! We got some salmon. Y'all know how we do. I'm almost done with the fridge.
Empty ass shit.
Y'all remember how I was earlier when I showed y'all, right? Oh, y'all, have y'all had this? I can't wait to taste this in the morning. I'm gonna see what that. Be like, I got me some cranberry juice because you know how I like some cranberry. This 90 section, she got her yogurts, her juices, and she has fruit veggies down here. We're gonna take those out, put the waters. We got all our creamers, chocolate milks, and all that good stuff right here. Gotta still put stuff in there. Finish putting the veggies in there and our fruit. Over here, still empty. Gotta put the food in there. But I'm about to cut these up, put them in Ziplockys, season them so it can be all marinated whenever I'm ready to cook them. All I gotta do is put them in on the what's the name. The dog's food is almost done. I better wash y'all hands. This is what it looked like. Okay, and again, it's just ground turkey, rice, and carrot. I'm going to keep the top off, keep it on the opposite side of the stove, let it cool down before you refrigerate it. Do not put this in your refrigerator hot. It's not safe to do that. It's not safe for them to eat it if you do that. It's going to be bad food, so don't do that. Okay, so let me go wash my hands real quick. And now back to our fruits. We got blackberries. cup. Sorry, y'all. I'm using Snapchat because it's literally the only way I can save the videos for some reason.
Now we can put this garbage back in.
Yeah, what?
That garbage back in.
There's a little bit of that garlic left. Sure is. We waste no food in the Jane Brandy's house. You hear me?
You want milk? Do you want milk? Can I get you a different cup instead of this one? I don't want you to get milk out of this. How about this one?
All right, y'all. Our fruits are done. We have our grapes. Don't forget to date them so you know when you bought them. You got your pineapples, y'all. You got your blueberries. You got your blackberries and your strawberry, blackberries, and grapes bag. I'm about to sit on. So what I'm gonna do is take my oranges. I'm gonna cut us a hole right here. And this little thing right here, so that I'll be able to get the oranges out. And I'm going to put the oranges down here on the side, just like that. Because I eat these a lot. And that's it.